Okay, so let's find the slope in this equation. Our first step is we have to distribute on both sides because we have parentheses. 5 times y is going to end up being 5y. And then 5 times 2 is going to end up being 10. We also have 4 times x, which is 4x, and then 4 times negative 3 is going to give us negative 12. Now our goal is to isolate the y, so we have to do the inverse of positive 10. So we can subtract 10 from both sides. 10 minus 10 is going to cancel out, leaving you with just that 5y. Then on the right side, we bring down that 4x, and then negative 12 minus minus 10 is going to be negative 22. Now we still got to get y by itself, so we have to divide 5 because 5 is connected to y by multiplication. And whatever we do to one side, we do the exact same thing to the other. So 5 divided by 5 is going to be y, and then we have 4/5 x minus 22/5. So now when we look at this equation, we got y by itself. This equation is actually already set into y-intercept form now, where y equals mx plus b. And if we look at what's connected to x, we can always find our slope. So writing it underneath, you can find that our slope is going to be 4/5. So for this equation, our slope is 4/5. We can also look and see that our y-intercept, or our line crosses the y-axis, is going to be negative 22/5. So by writing this equation in y-intercept form, we were able to find both our slope and our y-intercept.